Sorry, di kita marinig. Ano yan? Hi, baby. Guys, yung baby ko pala nandiyan daw. Anyway, what's up guys? My name is Rick Carriazo. I am a P-pop soloist under Marta Entertainment. And let's have some fun! Ready? Sige, before we go... Okay, so before we go on to our next single, I just want to greet a happy Mother's Day to all mothers right now. Nakasama natin dito sa Viva Cafe. And of course, to all the mothers of all the artists going to perform. It is such a big honor. I also want to say hi, Mama. Hi, Ma. Happy Mother's Day, and thank you sa lahat ng support. Without you, I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing right now because I want to make you proud. Pero, syempre, sino bang ayaw gawing proud yung mga magulang nila para sa performance nila? Kahit na bumabagal, di ba? Thank you, thank you. Ay, thank you. Ay, so, ano? Naantok na kayo? Simula pa lang Oh, dito tayo. Let me hear you say, hey, ho! Dito sa wala. Let me hear you say, hey, ho! Sige ta. Let me hear you say, hey, hey, ho! Hey, hey, ho! Yun. Nice. Nice energy. Alright, let's go. My debut single, Rumble. Let's go. Alright, so that has been from me, guys. My name is Rick Carriazo, and let me take this opportunity to promote all of my social media accounts. You may follow me at Ray_Carriazo at Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Alam niyo na yan. Hindi ko na kailangan paniwanag pa. Please do the same thing sa upcoming artists din na magpa-perform dito. Please follow them, share what they do. Because we just want to make our mothers proud. Talaga. Mama's boy ako actually. I'm a big mama's boy, so... Pero yun na, I just want to make my mama proud, and I hope you guys will help us make our mamas proud. So once again, actually, I do want to tease that I have an upcoming single to be released maybe a month from now. Sige. So I have an upcoming teaser, I have an upcoming single na mag-release siya this next month or within the year. Basta sobrang lapit na niya, guys. So, I hope excited kayo kasi hindi nyo alam kung sino masasama sa MV niya. Anyway, once again, this is Ray Carriazo. I'm a P-pop soloist from Marta. Thank you very much. Love you.
Thank you so much, Ray Carriazo, for that explosive performance.